the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something.
Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this hair mask I'm going to use right before doing my knotless braids. It's vegan friendly, no sulfate, and no silicone. This hair mask is basically just going to help my hair before putting in a protective style. And they also send me rose quartz roller that I use for rolling my face anytime I do wash my face. So right here, my hair is just really dry and I need something to just get it back to where it needs to be. These curls just look terrible. So I basically went to the website and it's super easy. Just went to the website, clicked the hair mask, clicked on the type of hair that I have, and then added the ingredients of what I needed. Aloe, they have definitely different things so that they can help with your hair, with whatever your hair type is or whatever your hair needs. It's really simple, and you can also get 15% off with using my code Ebony. The hair mask smelled so good, like blueberries and just a lot of natural products. Not all that chemical perfume type smelling hair mask or deep conditioners. This one was all natural and perfect for my hair. You'll see right after I end up washing this out how rejuvenated my curls were.
You, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for it. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. Let it become so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you now, together. Okay, oh yeah, I wanna be down. I know anybody.
So for my knotless braids, I ended up mixing 613 and 27 together and got this color right here. I wanted a blended color, so I just went ahead and mixed it together. And I do have a little bit of, I have like a few braids that are in the color 4 as well. So I guess since my braids were blonde, I was like, maybe I should just go ahead and lighten my brows and bleach them. So this is me showing you guys a little bit of the bleach I'm using and just me about to lighten up my brows. I'm always doing weird stuff. But yeah, they ended up coming out really nice. So I really like them. So yeah. The first time didn't work, so I had to go ahead and do it for a second time. So this is me just doing it again. I think I left it on for about maybe like 5 to 6 minutes.
You, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I do let you know,